Okay, class, what we're going to be doing today is sorting. Sorting is what we do when we put things that are the same as each other into groups together. Sorting helps us learn what is the same about some things and what is different about some things. Some of the examples of what could be the same is size, shape, or color. So, for example, a green fish and a green ball could go in a group together if we're grouping things by their color. Since both of them are the color green, they get to go in the same group together. But if we were sorting things by what kind of animal or thing they are, soccer balls and fish are not the same thing, so they can't go in the same group together. When we know how to sort things, we can help organize. So in my pencil box, I could put all of my pens together and all my markers together and all my pencils together. Or I could put everything that's red together and I could put everything that's blue together and everything that's green together. So now we're going to look at these two things here. I have two things. Can anyone tell me what is the same about them? If you said that they are both squares, you're correct. They are both squares. And if you see, they also have the same size. But what is different about them? They're different colors. This one is red and this one is blue. So what we're going to do today is sort things by their different color, sort them by their different shape, and sort them by their different size. Okay, class, this is what our activity sheet today looks like. It's got 3 different groups. We've got a red group, a blue group, and a green group. What we're going to be doing is sorting the different items here into the groups that they belong in. So, if I show this item, is it going to go in the red group, the blue group, or the green group? If you said green group, you are correct. And then if we have this item, is it going to go in the red group, the blue group, or the green group? If you said the red group, you are correct. Now, even though these two items are the same shape too, you'll see they're both triangles. They don't go in the same group because this time we're only sorting by color. And let's do one more on this one. This one is a blue circle. So on this one, is it going to go in this group, or this group? If you picked this one, you're correct. It's going to go in the blue group. So now we have one item in each group. We have one in the red group, we have one in the blue group, and we have one in the green group. There can be as many in each group as long as they all match what we're sorting by. Remember, what sorting is putting things that are the same into groups together. So this is a blue triangle, and it's going to go into this group with this blue circle. And now they're not the same shape, but they are the same color, so they get to go in the same group together. Now, we're gonna try together, we're gonna try sorting by shape. Our shapes on here that we're gonna sort by, we have squares, we have circles, and we have triangles. So this time, if you want to, you can pause and guess which group it's gonna go in before I say it. This time, let's start with this one. This one is a green circle. So here's the squares, the circles, and the triangles. This one's going to go in this group. Next, we have this red square. So I'm going to put this one here. Now what you would do is break into your groups and work as partners to sort the rest of these shapes to the correct group. So now you can pause again and do all of your sorting and then come back when you're done. Okay, now that you're back, I'm going to show you what each group here should look like. I'm going to put my big triangle sideways so that it fits into the group. Let's see, I have a square. This is a square. I have this one here. It's going to go over here. I have two big triangles, so they're going to go over here. This circle is going to go here with my circles. Another triangle over with the triangles. I have another square here. That's going to go here with my squares. This one's a circle. It's going to go with the circles. This one's a circle. It's going to go with my circles. And I don't have very much room, so they're kind of on top of each other. But if you look here, this one, since we're sorting it by shape, I have the squares, the circles, and the triangles. These squares are different colors, but they get to be in the same group together because they're both squares, and that's how we're sorting them. In this group, they are all circles, but we have some small, some medium, and some large. And we have some of every color. We have green, blue, and red, all in the same group together here. And then with the triangles, we have two large triangles and one medium triangle. And then we have, but they're all triangles. And we also have two blue triangles and one green triangle. And they get to go all in the same group together because they're all triangles. I'm going to finish sorting the rest of these into the groups that they go in. I think I lost some of my squares. But that's how that is. And last, what I want you to do, since that one was supposed to be with a partner, this one we're going to have you sort by size. With size, I want you to sort by small, medium, and large. And our small group is going to be a little fish because little fishes are small. Dog is for medium because dogs are kind of medium. Some of them are about the same size as you. And then an elephant is going to be the big ones because they're gigantic. So what you're going to do now is pause the video again, sort all of the shapes you were given into the groups they go in, small, medium, or large. And then you're going to come back and check the groups that I put mine in and make sure all of yours are correct. So go ahead and pause your video now and then come back when you're done. Okay, now that you're done sorting, you're going to look at mine and we're going to make sure that our groups match. So I'm going to go medium, medium, large, Okay, that group is all sorted. We have all of our smalls, all of our medium, and all of our large. Make sure that all of yours matched the ones that I put in my group. Now we all know how to sort things. Today we sorted by size, we sorted by color, and we sorted by shape. You can now all go home and tell your parents that you can help them organize. Maybe help them organize the kitchen. You can put all the cereals together. You can put all the fruits together. You'll do great. Bye.